So we're going to plan a rhinoplasty for this young pretty girl, and you can see that she had a cleft deformity. We did a few procedures for her. The last I did was to get the upper jaw forward by means of anterior maxillary distraction. You can see there's a large asymmetry, total collapse on the cleft side, and there's no tip support. The dorsum is very broad, the skin is very thick. So we're going to do a rib harvest, we're going to do work on the midline, we're going to be working on the septum, we're going to be working on the dorsum, we're going to be working on the tip, also working on the alar base. So this is what we call as a cleft rhinoplasty. It's a typical reconstructive type of work. It's actually not cosmetic, but yes, it gives cosmetic improvement as well. But we're also going to look at improving her breathing to make sure she's going to be able to breathe better, and her function also significantly improves. Right, so இன்னைக்கு சாயங்காலம் ஆபரேஷன் இருக்கும் உங்களுக்கு ஒரு 3 மணி மாதிரி. அந்த பில்டிங் வந்திருக்கா, நான் உங்களுக்கு சொன்னேன் இல்லை, அதனால உங்களுக்கு நான் சொன்னாலும் இப்படியே பண்ணுறேன். அவ்வளோ நாளைக்கு கொண்டு வந்து உட்கார வச்சுருக்கேன். நேற்று நைட் வந்துட்டாவா, இல்லைன்னா இன்னைக்கு 4 ஆப்ரேஷன் இருக்கு, உங்களுக்கு பண்ண முடியாதனால. ஸோ எப்படியாவது நான் உங்களுக்கு 2வது பண்ணி தருவேன். ஃபஸ்ட்டு இன்னொரு பேஷண்ட் இருக்காங்க, இவங்களுக்கு வந்து காலையில் நம்ம So this is before we did a cleft rhinoplasty. You can see the broad nose, the asymmetric tip, the collapsed dorsum, dorsal aesthetic lines not proper, deep radix. And this is immediately after done the surgery. So that's a symmetrical nose. We've given her a nice tip, dorsal work done, radix work done, tip work done, also alar base on both the sides done. Show the pic again, please. Let me show you once more how she looked before we started. That's how she was, and that's what we've done for her. I think the result is good, whatever it is, even though we've added cloth. Tip is still a little bulbous, but so we're placing steri-strips now. So you can see the amount of radix augmentation that has been done for this patient. You can see that I'm putting these steri-strips to make sure this graft doesn't move and we have less edema. You can see how I can shape it there. I'm going to come down on the dorsum. So a lot of augmentation has been done for her. As you can see, apart from the osteotomy, 2 puncture marks, and you can see the tip was collapsed. We had to do a lot of work on the lower lateral cartilage, which was collapsed and deformed.
Hello everyone, here we have a patient who's all set to go home. It's been a week post rhinoplasty. She is associated with the hospital since a very long time. She has been a previous patient for cleft lip, palate. She has also undergone AMD, which is an anterior maxillary distraction, for her hypoplastic maxilla. Now she has come for a rhinoplasty, so this is a cleft rhinoplasty case. We'll proceed to the splint removal for her today.
Sarah.
Just a minute. So clean everything for her a little bit. There's still a lot of swelling because it's only been a week. Yeah, so we have to clean the sides, remove the stitches. Nishant, you can have a look at yourself. We'll also show you her previous pictures. She had a cleft on the left side. So she had a depression over here, if you can appreciate in the pictures. We've tried correcting that. A lot of cleaning is still left. Meaning she will get rid of the stitches as well today. I'll show you from that side. You can also have a look at the mirror. The basal view. Look a little up. So we've tried working on this. The left nerve is completely depressed. We've tried working on it. Hers has been open rhinoplasty with rib. We've tried working on the dorsum, giving her aesthetic lines. If you can see this picture, you can appreciate it in the mirror. You can also slightly turn your head towards the left. You see there was barely any projection. We have tried working on it. We have tried working on the dorsum, giving her a nice tip. Cleft rhinoplasties always happen to be challenging, but we've tried giving as much aesthetic contouring, high projection as possible. Yeah. There's a little bit of swelling for you, okay, because it's been a week. We'll clear all this off. The stitches will also be removed today for you. Okay. You can appreciate the results better once the swelling comes down. Okay.